Welcome to another edition in the Manufacturing Technology Safety Series. The box and pan brake is another sheet metal tool that uses only leverage and body weight to perform its operation. The box and pan brake is used for bending sheet metal at various angles from 0 to 120 degrees. To use the box and pan brake, simply line up your metal along the line to be bent, clamp the material securely on the bed, and lift the lever below the fingers in order to bend your material. A few box and pan brake safety tips. Make sure that machine adjustments are done before use. Make sure the metal is the correct gauge and not too thick. Always be careful of fingers and loose items when clamping metal, and use even, steady force while bending.